20 Outdoor Advertising Business Ideas. Welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you 20 outdoor advertising business ideas with real storytelling examples, and number 18 of the business ideas is very important. Ready? Let's dive in, and please subscribe to this channel. 1. Billboard Rentals. Tom started renting billboards along the highway. One day, a local pizza shop advertised there, and their sales jumped 30%. 2. Mobile truck ads. Sara wrapped her delivery trucks with ads. Whenever her trucks passed through town, people noticed and called the number on the side. 3. Bus shelter ads. A small clothing brand posted ads at bus shelters. Commuters saw them daily, and soon everyone was wearing their jeans. 4. Taxi top ads. Jake installed LED signs on taxi roofs. During a rainy week, he showed umbrella ads and sales soared. 5. Bicycle billboard business. Mia launched bicycle billboards for eco-friendly companies. Her first client? A local organic shop, and foot traffic doubled. 6. Street furniture ads. Ben sold ads on benches and trash cans. A cafe put signs near a park, and new customers came every weekend. 7. Wall murals. Artist Lily painted colorful murals with hidden ads. A sneaker company sponsored her, and the mural went viral on Instagram. 8. Building wraps. Mike covered tall buildings with giant ads. His first campaign was for a new movie, and ticket sales exploded. 9. Airport ads. Anna placed ads inside airports. A travel agency advertised and got hundreds of new vacation bookings. 10. Train station ads. Leo managed train station billboards. One bank promoted loans and saw a rise in new customers every month. 11. Gas station ads. Nick added mini screens to gas pumps. Car wash businesses advertised there, and more cars lined up. 12. Event sponsorship signs. Sophie offered ads at local events. At a music festival, her client's drink brand became everyone's favorite. 13. Shopping mall outdoor screens. Oscar placed LED screens outside malls. A shoe brand advertised their sale, and shoppers rushed inside. 14. Park bench ads. Helen rented space on park benches. A tutoring center advertised and soon filled every class. 15. Sidewalk decals. Chris used sidewalk stickers to advertise a new video game. Kids saw the arrows and followed them into the game store. 16. Balloon advertising. At a fair, Jamie floated giant balloons with logos. A toy store gained tons of attention from families. 17. Pop-up displays. Kathy set up pop-up tents at busy squares. One chocolate company gave samples and sold out in hours. 18. Fence banners. A construction site used fence banners to promote nearby apartments, and they sold out before the building was finished. 19. Drone advertising. During a beach event, Dan flew drones carrying banners. A surf shop advertised and tripled their visitors. 20. Digital billboard trailers. Emma used trailers with giant LED screens to drive around downtown. Her first client, a gym, got flooded with new memberships. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart business ideas.